What is this batch? What content we are going to discuss in this? Hmm. So, um, this batch is purely about core and advanced Python. From DURGASOFT, myself, K. Prakash Babu, having 15 plus years of experience as a trainer. Okay. As a part of this batch, we are going to cover core and advanced Python. Okay. So the duration of this course is totally 7 weekends. It is a weekend batch. So the classes will be there every Saturday and a Sunday. Every Saturday and Sunday, the sessions will be there. Totally 7 weekends, excluding this weekend. And the timings of the session is it will start from 5 p.m. So depends on the topic, the ending will be there. But approximately 3 hours a session will be there. You can fix 5 to 6, 6 to 7, 7 to 8. Meanwhile, some breaks also will be there. So this is nothing but the course schedule what we have. Of course, I'm going to give you a plan. According to that, we will go. According to that, we will go. Now, coming to the syllabus, what are the topics that we are going to cover? We have different modules are there here. Sir, in module 1, I'm going to explain basics or I can say fundamentals of Python. Like if you want to write any Python program, what basic things are required? That part I'm going to explain in module 1. Almost fundamentals like data types, operators, iterative statements, if conditions, everything will come here. In second module, sir, it is specifically data structures. There are some inbuilt data structures is there in Python. So we are going to see what are all the various inbuilt data structures available in Python in second module. And in third module, so our Python is supporting functional programming. So how this functional programming is going to be achieved in Python? So how to create a module, how to create a package, how you can import a package, how to work with those things we are going to discuss. And in fourth module, it is a purely object-oriented program. That is OOPS concepts. How you can create objects, how you can link that object with another object. That entire process we are going to discuss in this object-oriented scenarios. Okay. So after this, after completion of this content, so the next module, what we are going to discuss here is some advanced concepts like exception handling, multi-threading, regular expressions. These things we are going to cover in fifth module. And in sixth module, sir, uh, what are the various storage related operations? Like, sir, if I am writing any Python program to read some data from the user, and after processing that data, I want to write that data to file. How you can write, or I want to write that data to database. How you are going to write? Like file handling, database handling, we are going to cover. Next, in seventh module, of course, last module. So I'm going to discuss various inbuilt modules in Python. Of course, it is a matter of 1 or 2 hours session. What are the inbuilt modules are there that I will teach. And this is extra content what you. Sir, I am going to demonstrate for this batch. Okay, for this batch. numpy, numpy. Okay, next and after that pandas, pandas. Okay, next and after that matplotlib. So these content I'm going to cover. These are the 8 modules what we have to be covered in these 7 weekends. Some modules are going to take much time, some modules are going to take less time. That depends on the flow we are going to see. These are nothing but the content of the syllabus. Along with it, I'm going to give one hacker rank link where around 350 plus programs are there. Just on completion of every topic, you can open that link and you can practice. So this is nothing but the course content. Can everyone please confirm? If you are having any questions, please let me know. Then we will move forward. Any questions?
No question.
Sir, any other questions? Other people, please respond. If you are clear, I will start. Please, Gautam, Jitendra, Krishna, Vashil.
For me, no question, sir.
Good. Now, so let me start from the beginning because it is the demo session, right? So starting from the beginning, it won't be good. That's why what I will do is I will take because majority of the concepts are theory. So I will start any one topic so that you can get some clarity also. So what is the topic that I'm going to take here is data types, which is there in every programming language. That's why I'm going to talk about one concept called data types. It is a part of basic fundamentals in Python. Because in the demo, if I explain theory concepts, it won't be good. That's why. So what is mean by data type? In general, sir, in our programming, what we will do? So if you consider other languages, we will take integer a is equal to 10. What is the meaning of this? Sir, we are going to accommodate some value. We are storing some value called 10 in a memory. So like it is going to store some value called 10. What is the name of this particular memory location? It is nothing but A. Of course, it will be associated with some address. It is not required as. So now the question is, what type of data it is holding? Sir, as of now, it is holding what type of data? Integer type of data. That is called as what? Data type. What is mean by data type? Sir, data type represents the type of the data, that we are using in the program. So what type of data we are using in the program is called as what? Data types. Okay. Sir, what about the Python? What about the Python? If you take Python, Python is having some special approaches. What are those special approaches? Sir, in Python, in Python, everything is treated as, in Python, everything is so treated as an object only. Everything, sir, whether it may be a small data or large data, everything will be considered as nothing but what? An object. some special format will be there inside that content will be there. So everything will be considered as nothing but what? Object. So now my question is, if everything is considered as object, how we can perform basic operations that we will see. Okay, so in Python, everything is treated as object, and Python provides support for the following data types. Sir, what data types our Python is going to provide support? The first one is we have integer data type is there. Second one, we have float data type is there. Third one, we have boolean data type is there. And the fourth one, sir, we have complex data type is there. Next, and after that, string data type is there. So next we have list data type is there. So next we have tuple tuple data type is there. So next, and after that, we have set data type is there. So after this, frozen set data type is there. Frozen set data type is there. So after this, dictionary dictionary data type is there. So next we have bytes bytes data type is there. Next we have byte array data type is there. So next we have range data type is there. And at last, none. Sir, no language is providing support for these many data types, but in Python we have these many data types are there. We have to investigate in detail about all these data types one by one. Okay, but before that, I will take one real-time example and I will demonstrate how it is going to work. Then we will see step by step. After this, any questions? Any questions? Please confirm. Is clear, everyone? Please confirm. Right. If you interact more, it will be good. Unmute yourself and speak. Right. So before moving to these data types, let us consider one small project like student management system. Sir, I want to develop one small project like student management system. What this project is going to do? Sir, student related activities, like if I'm developing for a college or school, so all the information related to the student I want to add to a database or I want to store in a file. Like that, I'm going to talk about, so what are the various operations that we can able to perform on these student related activities. So what is the first thing that you need to do? We have to identify, okay, we have to identify the supporting types of the data. For example, so if you are talking about the name, sir, name comes under what type of category? Sir, is it a string or not? Yes. What type of data it will provide? String type of data. If you take father name also, what type of data it is? String. That means a group of characters will be there, right? Sir, if you take mother name also, what type of data it is holding? String. Sir, if you take ID number, I want to maintain one unique ID. So then what type of data it is? Sir, it is of type integer. Sir, if you take mobile number, what type of data it is? Sir, it can be either integer type of data or it can be string. If you take percentage, what type of data it is going to hold? Float. Float means what? Points will be there. Okay. So next, if you take 5 subject marks, I want to store 5 subject marks. Then we can go for list type of data. So list means what? For example, the marks will be stored like this. It is something like a array in other languages, but here it is called as what? List. Sir, I want to mention whether the student is pass or fail. How you can represent? Sir, it is represented in floating point. No. Sir, can I take another type of data called Boolean? If a pass means I will store true. Fail means I will store false. Like that. Similarly, if I want to store email ID of the student, sir, what type of data it is? String. Like that, sir, we have different types of data are there. So if you are considering a simple project called student management system, so even if you are taking multiple projects also, multiple scenarios, different types of data will be there. Okay, and there is one point that you observed. If you take our data types, is there any data type called character? No. There is no character data type in Python. So if you take Python, there is no character data type, sir. Sir, if you want, let me add the point. Even. So even character will be considered as a string only, like that we have. Sir, clear? Please confirm. Sir, clear everyone? Sir, clear up to this? So now let us take integer data. Okay, let us take integer data type. Sir, what is mean by integer data type? So if we represent, okay, if we want to represent integral values, that is, integral values means what? minus infinite to plus infinite if you want to represent. So then, sir, it is called as, then it is called as integer. Integer. It is called as what? Integer type of data. Sir, what about range? In Python, there is no range concept. No range concept means what? Sir, this is the minimum value. This is the maximum value. Such type of terms are not there. Such type of terms are not there. Okay. So again, these integers are so represented in different forms. That anyway, that scenario is different. I will explain later. Any questions as of now? Any questions? Sir, clear up to this. Vashil, please confirm.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So I hope everyone has a clear clarity on this, right? So remaining things we will continue tomorrow, okay? Because today some less strength is there. Tomorrow we will continue. Okay. Thank you. You can